Welcome to the long dog wool stitch tutorial on the magic ring. Sometimes when you're working in a circle, you don't want a hole in the middle. You want to be able to close that gap completely. So often the way we're taught to do circular work or start granny squares is to chain 3 or 4, slip stitch to the first chain and then work into the circle. But that does leave a gap in the middle. And for work something like this, you don't want that gap. And that's where a magic ring becomes a wonderful alternative to a chain ring. So for the magic ring, you start with your yarn over your palm with the tail facing down. Just grab it with your thumb and forefinger, wrap it around 3 fingers. So if it's facing down, wrap it around your 3 fingers, crossing it over and holding it with your pinky so that you've got a bit of an X around 3 fingers. You're going to take your hook under the first one, over the second one, and draw that second one under and give it a twist. And then you're going to insert the hook between those, hook that, and draw it through the twist. And that's 1 chain made. And what you've got now is a magic circle. So then you can work your stitches into the circle. So if I do some single crochets, let's say 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if this tail starts getting short, just give it a tug and close up your circle. 6. So now I've got my 6 single crochets, and I want to close the magic circle. You just take that tail and pull, and your circle is closed, and you can slip stitch into your first single crochet to close the top of the circle, and you tug on that tail to close the bottom. And there you've got a magic circle with no hole in the middle.